In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ComfyUI to n8n. By following these steps, you'll be able to streamline your processes with ease, ensuring that your systems work together effectively. First things first, let's create a new workflow in the n8n. Workflows help automate tasks by connecting different applications together, so this will be the backbone of our process. To start, log into your n8n instance. Once you're in, navigate through the interface until you spot the option to create a new workflow. Click on it and watch as a fresh canvas appears, ready for your customization. Now that we have our workspace set up, it's time to incorporate an HTTP request node into our workflow. Nodes are key elements in n8n. They act like building blocks, performing specific tasks that make up your workflow. The HTTP request node will handle communications between n8n and ComfyUI, facilitating data exchange and ensuring that everything functions smoothly. To add this node, locate the node selection option, search for the HTTP request node, and simply drag it onto your canvas. With the HTTP request node in place, the next step is configuring it with precision. Pay special attention to detail here, as correct configuration is crucial for the system's success. First, we need to set the method of our request. Click on the HTTP method drop-down menu and select Post. This tells n8n that we want to send data, which is essential for submitting our prompt to ComfyUI. Next, we'll input the URL where our request will be sent. In the URL field, enter the following address: http arduino.0.0.1.8188 prompt. This URL directs n8n to the specific endpoint where ComfyUI expects to receive the prompt, ensuring communication reaches the right destination. Now let's specify the content type of our HTTP request. You'll want to select JSON here, signifying that the data format we're sending is in JSON. JSON is a lightweight data interchange format that's easy for both humans and machines to read and write. This format is ideal for ensuring accurate communication between different systems. Finally, we need to configure the body of our request. In this section, you'll paste your exported API workflow JSON. This body will be structured in JSON format as follows. Open with a curly brace and then a set of quotation marks. Inside those marks, write prompt. Following a colon, open another set of curly braces, enter 3 dots as placeholders, and type. Paste your exported API workflow JSON here to guide yourself on where the specific content needs to be replaced. Once all these configurations are accurately set, running the node submits the workflow to ComfyUI. The system will respond with a prompt ID, also known as the job ID. This ID is essential for tracking your request, acting like a reference number to verify the successful submission and processing of your workflow. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've effectively connected ComfyUI to n8n, paving the way for seamless integration and automation. Tune in for more guides, and happy automating!